Okay, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. So, welcome to our Saturday presentation of our opportunities. Actually, hindi lang isang opportunity ang meron tayo dito. We have numbers of opportunities. No, yung kung ano, kumbaga sa ulam, you have you have choices. Ano, mga kung alin yung flavors na po pwede nyo, gusto nyo galawin, no? Ah, it's just a clue. Makikita niyo naman yung background ko, ang daming umiilaw-ilaw, no? So those are the products na bibigyan ko ng highlights sa inyo, but of course, I will discuss the latest one na meron tayo talaga na sabi nga natin will give us a very big opportunity, no? So sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin dito, ako po si Dennis Miras. Okay, I am here in the UK. I am working here as an IT engineer. Okay, so I've been working here for sometime, but of course, pagdating kasi sa technology advancement, technology evolutions, 21st century technologies, alam niyo yun, marami, komplikado po yan, kanya-kanyang komplikasyon, kanya-kanyang, sabi nga natin, variety, kanya-kanyang level of expertise ang kailangan talaga sa pagdating sa technology. So, very important po natin na tatandaan na technology is something na nakaka minsan nakaka-overwhelm, especially tayo mga millennials na yun yung mga late blooms natin ng pag-intindi ng technology, but we are thriving, we are trying our best to learn kasi if hindi tayo mag-a-adapt sa situation natin, hindi tayo mag-a-adapt sa bagong nangyayari ngayon, may pag-iiwanan tayo. Sabi nga natin, if we get left behind, ano nang mangyayari, di ba? So, yun yung mga bagay na kailangan nating tandaan din na it doesn't matter kung ano yung age natin. It doesn't matter kung ano yung position natin sa buhay. As long as you are willing to learn, definitely it will change your life, no? Your mindset, your discipline, everything, consistency, dapat yan magsama-sama, no? Hindi naman natin one. So, isa yan sa mga bagay na kailangan din natin gawin sa buhay. Even sa our jobs, di ba? We are on our jobs, consistent dapat tayong pumapasok every day, consistent natin ginagawa yung pinagagawa sa atin. Everything included po lahat yan. So the same in doing a business. If we're going to do a business, sabi nga natin, kailangan din natin siyang bigyan ng pansin. If you want to do it part-time, you want to do it full-time, of course, lahat yan magdi-depend sa'yo. So, ganun po yung natin. So, in this presentation, papresent ko sa inyo are all, sabi nga natin, innovative products. Okay, so these are more on the unique products na meron tayo that has been an innovation of technologies. Okay, so ito yung maganda na makita natin. Okay, so before I start, okay, I have to play the disclaimer para at least naman na malaman naman natin na I am just uh, here to give you information. Hindi po ako binabayaran ng company or sabi nga natin uh, paid for whatever din. Ipe-present ko po sa inyo information voluntarily. So it's all up to you. Pero of course, pinakang best ko pong i-advise sa inyo, take out a pen and paper, especially kung bago mo lang maririnig to, bago mo lang naririnig ang crypto, bago mo lang naririnig ang technology ng 21st century. So, pen and paper is the best solution para lahat ng questions, lahat ng sabi nga natin na matatanda mo. Kasi pagka hindi mo natanda, yung sabi nga natin, in the next 2-3 hours, natatandaan natin yan. Then after that, nakakalimutan na natin. Then pag nakalimutan na natin, then nawawala na yung interest natin. Pag nawala na yung interest natin, yun na lang. Pag nag-recall na lang uli sa atin, uy, parang narinig ko na yan. Then, mag-iwan na lang tayo. But if you have no, pen and paper, you have a notebook, you have a ledger, buklatin mo lang yun. Dito ko to natutunan. Dito ko nakukuha to. So, ganun lang tayo. Yun lang yung pinaka-importante nating simpleng gagawin to start something else. So, to start a business or to start a job, we should take now notes para at least hindi natin nakakalimutan. Okay? So, play ko lang po yung disclaimer natin para naman na lahat po tayo maging aware that really I'm just giving you information. Okay? Bago po tuloy natin yung discuss sino ba yung company, what are the products, etc. etc. So, let me share my screen. Paki-confirm na lang po kung nakikita yung screen. Okay po? Nakikita po ba yung screen?
Yes po.
Okay, perfect. Ganun pa rin. Okay. So, let's play.
General disclaimer. Welcome to the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general, not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide informations and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone. So we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing a We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems either provided by or created by We're All Satoshi belong solely to We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing or reselling any We Are All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
Okay, so yeah, I would like to introduce to you the company name. We are all Satoshi, and we are introducing Affiliate Marketing 2.0. Okay, just to give you a heads up. Okay, we are all Satoshi is a digital company. Giving out some digital products, innovative products that we have na makakatulong sa atin, in the long run or in the future na po pwede nating masabi nga natin ma-attain yung uh, financial goals or financial dreams natin na po pwede natin ano. But of course, alam naman natin everything that we do has a risk. Okay? So hindi ko po sinasabing risk-free tayo dito, okay? Ang importante po dito, okay, isang pinakang hindi ko malilimutang sabi nga natin slogan is yung if you're not taking risk, then that is the biggest risk that you're going to take. Imagine niyo, no, hindi ka nagte-take ng risk, yung pala yung biggest risk na ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. So, here, we are going to take, there are risks in here. So, I am not going to advise you anything. I'm not going to advise you to buy anything. Of course, every decision should be made by yourself alone. Okay? Kayo yung magdi-decide. Wala po ditong pilitan, walang kahit ano. Okay? So, yun po yung mga, mamaya di-discuss natin yung innovative products. Ibigyan lang natin ng highlights yung affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing 2.0? Kasi affiliate is, sabi nga natin, medyo masama na ang image niyan in the industry. Especially when you called it network marketing. Ang tingin dyan sa atin kasi dyan is para ng basang-basa na yan, wala na yan kasi nga mag-recruit ka lang tapos wala na, mawawala na yung mga natin. We have been into so many companies, no? After 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, nawawala na. Di ba? Then ano na nangyayari? Pati yung mga, sabi nga natin, pinaghirapan nating pera, pinagtrabahuhan natin, kinita natin na 1 buwan, 2 buwan, 3 buwan, savings natin, everything, pinangungutang pa nga pag minsan, then nawawala na. And then ano mangyayari? So, siyempre, and congratulations to everyone here dahil tayo yung mga risk taker. Tayo yung mga hindi nagko-quit. Kasi kung magko-quit tayo also, that's the time that we are going to lose. Pero hangga't hindi po kayo nagko-quit, you are not loser. You are not a loser. You are just making failures and then you learn from your failures. And then of course, if you take the learning and then you keep moving on until such time na here we are. Okay? Andito po tayo ngayon. I can say that we are now in a safe place, no? Sa dami ng company na nasalihan natin. I can say in myself, I've been here for the company like almost 2 years na. Not over 2 years. Almost 2 years. So the company is over almost 2 years na rin. So I've been here from the very beginning and the company is still standing. Natatandaan ko just few months ago, meron mga naglabasan and then of course, I understand, natuwa naman tayo, we earned, hopefully everyone kumita tayo dun sa mga kwan na yun. And then of course, after that, di ba? Nakakawawa lang kasi yung mga nahuhuli. Alam niyo yun yung nagkuha na sila, nag-time na nila ng oras na nila ng decision nila. And then eventually, yun na pala yung time na magsasara na, 'di ba? So, yun yung nakakalungkot na nangyayari sa affiliate marketing situation ngayon, especially yung crypto, especially yung digital currencies. Kasi talaga naman sa totoo lang nakakakon na isipin na yes, merong 1%, 2%, 5%, daily. Because we are looking for something. We want ourselves na sabi nga natin maging one tayo. Maging financially free, hindi man financially free, at least financially stable, di ba? So yun naman yung pinakang goals natin kaya tayo nandito ngayon. And I really appreciate sa inyo lahat nandito kayo because you have the opportunity now to hear what we have. And this, sabi ka natin, itong mga products na to, of course, kailangan din yung aralin. Hindi lang man ito porque pinakita ko sa inyo is like, okay na sa akin yan, sige, kuwan na ako, hindi ko na pag-aaralan. Never stop learning. Yun din yung sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. Ako, hindi ako nag-stop mag-learning. Always have an open mind. Be an open-minded person. Kapag open-minded ka, it won't hurt you learning new things. Kasi 'di ba, tulad ko, I've been working as an IT for like 20 years na, no? Ganun nakahaba yung experience ko sa IT pero hindi ko alam meron palang other world beyond IT. Meron sa medical side, sa other outside of your comfort zones. There are a lot of opportunities ang kailangan lang natin aralin natin. So ako ganun din ako. Even though this is a technology wise na sabi nga natin technically covered siya ng technology, ng computerization and everything. Pero hindi ko ito naintindihan when I was working because I'm just dealing with computers. May sira yung computer, binubuksan ko yung computer na hindi makakonect sa network, hindi makakonect sa internet. That's what I do. Hindi ko alam na mayroon palang ganito. And then, of course, when I did discover na you have to step out a little bit of your comfort zone to learn new things. Pag hindi mo gusto, iwanan mo. Pumunta ka ulit, bumalik ka ulit. Then, look for another things. Hindi nyo kailangan na mag-stay na doon kasi kahit hindi nyo gusto, di ba? Tayo naman, I'll be honest with you, we have worked o nagtrabaho na tayo ng hindi natin gusto pero kailangan natin magtrabaho kasi gusto natin kumita ng pera, di ba? Nagagawa nga natin yun. What more? If you are trying to look at something else, if you don't want, don't lumipat ka sa iba. Wala namang problema, walang kwan. Ang kagandahan lang nun, you make yourself, sabi nga natin, have an open mind, a positive mindset na posibleng makatulong ito sa akin. And then at the end of this presentation, nakikita nyo, you can decide if this is not for you or not. Wala pong pipilitin dito, walang kahit ano. Decide it from yourself, then that's it. Kung nakapag-decide ka na, okay, I can have a try, I can have a look, then go back to the person that invited you here, and then they will guide you. Ganun lang yun. And then of course, I'm here happy to help kung kinakailangan. So yun lang yung natin. So that's the reason why affiliate marketing 2.0. So ibig sabihin natin nag-level up na. And that is sabi nga natin, the vision and the mission of the company. Baguhin yung image ng affiliate marketing or ng network marketing industry. Kasi nga sirang-sira na eh. Hindi na nga siya ganun, hindi na siya maganda, di ba? I'm not saying every company is bad. Kaya marami pong networking companies dyan, especially yung may mga sabi nga natin tangible products. They have been great. They have been there for decades, di ba? And this company will be here for decades. And yun yung pinaka-importante doon. And we will start that, but sino nga ba nag-umpisa nito? So because of this man, okay, this is our CEO. His name is Chavez, okay? He is sabi nga natin, the genius behind every technology na meron tayo dito. Ako mismo hindi ko iniisip na meron palang ganong klaseng way to earn na ipakita niya lang is something na wow. Oo nga, napakaganda, di ba? So, yun yung niya. Sabi niya, mission niya, giving back power to the community. He loved this community. He will do everything for this community. And isa sa mga sabi nga natin sa ginagawa niya within the community is like securing the liquidity, ensuring sustainability, 240 years of mining journey. So, binanggit ko sa inyo, we will be here for decades. Hindi pala, century pa pala yung nandyan. Nakalagay, 140 years. So, we are going to be here for centuries. Ibig sabihin, this opportunity can be passed on to generations and generations and generations. Siguro naman, it's really siguro may chance tayo na very slim. Para siguro sinipis ng buhok yung chance natin para abutin natin yung next 140 years, di ba? Siguro 100 years old, hindi na natin abutin siguro, but something that you can pass on. I will explain why 140 years mining journey in a little bit. Pero imagine ninyo, no? This guy is just, I think he turned 29 this year or 28 years, or just 29 years old. Pero he is a genius. Sabi nga natin, nag-create siya ng sariling AI. Okay? Even though sabi nga natin may sarili na siyang company, may sarili na siyang but he chooses pa rin na sabi nga natin magbigay ng mga innovative products in the community. So, We Are All Satoshi, ang ginawa niya, nag-develop siya ng ecosystem in 3 core areas. Okay? Gumawa yung 3 core areas na ginawa ng CEO natin is something unique. Kasi isipin nyo, in the Web3 technology or in this technology right now, he created our own blockchain. So meron tayong sariling blockchain. Imagine ninyo, there are over 30,000 blockchains available worldwide. Imagine, ganun nakalaki ngayon ang blockchain. 30,000 blockchains. And one of them is our blockchain. So yun yung imagine niyo how talented the person that can create a blockchain. And besides, ano ba yung nasa loob ng blockchain natin? Then we have the Bitcoin code. Bitcoin code is our mother token, is our token that would be possibly one of the most competitive or one of the most important token in the world. Explain ko rin sa inyo in a bit. And then of course, this Bitcoin code, sabi nga natin, this token is not yung kine-create o yung ini-airdrop to anywhere. Mining is the only source of Bitcoin code. If you will remember Bitcoin, sino ba dito ang hindi nakakakilala kay Bitcoin? Okay? If you have the knowledge of Bitcoin, then Bitcoin code is the exact duplicate, the exact concept na meron po ang Bitcoin. So Bitcoin code is something na talagang hindi ko lang ito na i-discuss ng mga nakaraang buwan, pero Bitcoin code is our flagship product. Siya talaga yung nag-umpisa. Then we have our validators and nodes. Okay? Validators and nodes are two of the most important aspect of decentralization and of course the blockchain. To make it more secure, sabi nga natin, more efficient and everything. So those are kung tatanungin niyo ako ano ba yung nodes, imagine niyo if you go into internet, i-research niyo, correct me if I'm wrong, but Bitcoin alone has over 80,000 nodes. Imagine niyo 80,000 nodes. And now here we are, probably I believe our blockchain has around over 500 nodes right now, just 500 because we are just starting. To be honest, we are just 1 year. Our blockchain has its birthday last month. So that means we are on the 13th month going to 14th month now of the blockchain natin and the mining natin. So ganon kaganda yung ating blockchain. Our blockchain is also a EVM compliant, okay? So this is an Ethereum virtual machine compliant. So that means you can create a lot of projects, you can put smart contracts and everything to make our Bitcoin code more beneficial on it. So ganun kaganda yung ating blockchain. The second core, the synthesized AI and Web3. Okay? So we have this Chavez AI. This is the AI na sinasabi ko nga sa inyo na kinreate niya by himself. Ini-integrate niya yan sa every project na meron tayo. So pag nakita na namin, we got a glimpse of that AI, napakaganda ng pagkagawa. Okay? We have Dodo. Dodo is the only and the first crypto index trading that is decentralized. Imagine, decentralized. That means you have in control of your own assets. Ganun kaganda. Wala po kayong makikitang index trading ng crypto in the world na decentralized. If you are going to look for index trading ng crypto, you will see it on the exchanges like Binance, OKX, or everything. Any, sabi nga natin, centralized exchange. But decentralized, wala po kayo makita. Ito pa lang. Si Dodo pa lang ang first decentralized index trading in the world. Imagine niyo yan. And then of course, Capital 3.0. Ito yung i-highlight ko sa inyo mamaya. Ito yung bibigyan ko sa inyo ng emphasis kung gaano kaganda si 3.0. Okay? So Capital 3.0 is something unique as well. And then we have our friction-free liquidity. Okay? So yung mga namumroblema tayo, di ba? Namumroblema tayo ng mga, ano yun, pag-exit ng crypto natin or whatever. So we created 9Pay. Okay? I will discuss 9Pay in a bit. 9Pay, sabi nga natin is a crypto credit card. You can spend your crypto instantly. You don't have to worry about swapping. You don't have to worry about kung anong exchange. Lagay mo yung crypto mo sa card mo and then spend it like a regular money. And then we're go Take Capital is simply a simple investment. Mag-deposit ka lang, then at the end of the day, kunin mo yung profit mo at saka yung capital mo. Ganun lang kasimple yan. Peer-to-peer exchange also, pag lumabas na yan, alam naman natin ang ibig sabihin ng peer-to-peer. Okay? So, lahat ng mga centralized exchange, meron din silang P2P, di ba? If you have experience like Binance, OKX, or any other exchanges, meron silang P2P. So, makakapagpalit po kayo ng any crypto or going to fiat currency or vice versa, di ba? So, these are the three core areas that meron tayo. So, let's highlight all the products. Isa-isahin natin yung products na meron tayo. Okay? So, let's start with Code 20 NFT miners. So, Code 20 NFT miners, this is the 21st century technology na ginagamit natin in mining. Remember, binanggit ko sa inyo si Bitcoin. Bitcoin po, hindi po yan in-airdrop o kin-create. Kailangan kayong kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng Bitcoin, you have to have an Antminer para makapagkuha ng Bitcoin. Okay? So, kailangan nyo Antminer, kailangan nyo ng kuryente, kailangan nyo ng air conditioning, kailangan nyo ng programming skills, everything para makapag-mine ng Bitcoin. With Bitcoin code, para makapag-mine kayo ng Bitcoin code, you just need an NFT or a non-fungible tokens with the utility of mining. So yun lang yung gagamitin natin. Isipin nyo kung gaano ka-intelligent yung instead of having a hardware machine to mine Bitcoin code, NFT na lang. Kukonect mo lang siya, then this sabi nga natin, pabayaan mo na lang siya even if you don't have internet, even if you don't have mobile phones, basta na-connect mo na sa system, it will mine for you for the next 140 years. If you want to learn more on this, okay, I can do another presentation kasi mas merong sabi nga natin mas deep presentation na gusto niyo maintindihan yung mining. I can do that for you. Just let me know or let the people na nag-invite sa dito na gusto mong maintindihan yan, then I will do a Zoom separate from you. Okay? So validator, so I mentioned this earlier. So isipin nyo, if you become a validator in the blockchain, dito kay We're All Satoshi, it will give you a 240% APY. Isipin nyo, makaka-receive kayo ng Bitcoin code of 0.27 every hour. Ganun kabilis. Remember, Bitcoin code, okay? So yun yung marireceive ninyo every hour. And then becoming a node, you will get a 182% APY or 0.07 Bitcoin code every hour. So napakaganda. Imagine niyo kung kayo kay Bitcoin, kung alam niyo yung knowledge kay Bitcoin, and now wala na tayo, hindi na natin pwede balikan kasi that's 15 years ago. Now we have the second chance. Our second chance to own Bitcoin is the Bitcoin code. Bitcoin code is going to be the next. Okay? If you go to CoinMarketCap, okay? So research Bitcoin code, nandun yung pinaliwanag dun sa article na yon kung bakit Bitcoin code is going to be one of the world's cryptocurrency sabi natin ano tawag dun? Con Nakakalimutan. Parang competitors yun. Ano ba yan? Nakagiging malilimutin ako. Okay. One of the best, sabi nga natin, crypto competitors in the world. Kasi isipin nyo, walang gumawa, walang nakaisip na gayahin ang concept ni Bitcoin. Only Bitcoin Code. Sabi ko sa inyo, mga unique ang product natin. Unique at its finest. Di ba? And then we have our 9Pay card. Na-mention ko sa inyo kanina, this is a crypto credit card. Of course, while you are spending, you will also earn cashback. Alam naman na natin yun sa mga credit cards. Lagi naman tayo may cashback. But the way we earn here in 9Pay is, sabi nga natin, naiiba rin. So there's always unique. Okay? So in Dodo, na-mention ko na sa inyo kanina, crypto index trading, the only decentralized, again, decentralized crypto index trading in the world. That's why we are unique again. Maraming magsusulputan diyan, eventually magugulat kayo. Mayroon ng mga kakon kay Dodo. But Dodo is the best, okay? So yun po yung magiging wala. Magugulat kayo diyan. Hintayin nyo. In the next month, probably by start of the year, magugulat na lang kayo, meron na niyan. Okay? And then we have the Capital 3.0, the early access to crypto unicorn and AI disruptors. So, mamaya i-explain ko sa inyo ano ba yung early access to crypto unicorns. Ano bang ibig sabihin niyan? Okay? So, as we go along, these are all included in our affiliate marketing 2.0 system. So, let's start with the mining. Ano ba yung miners? Okay. So this is the NFT miners. This is the design, of course, digital designs of our NFT. Okay? Para makapag-start kayong makapag-mine ng Bitcoin code. Okay? So you have to buy miners as well. Si Bitcoin, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, bibili kayo ng Antminer. Ganun din dito. Yung nga lang dito, hindi niyo kailangan magbayad ng kuryente, hindi niyo na kailangan ng aircon, ng room, o hindi niyo na kailangan ng specialty sa programming para lang makapag-mine kayo ng Bitcoin. Dito, kukonect nyo lang yung NFT nyo and then it will, sabi nga natin, give you the Bitcoin code that you need. Of course, ano ba ang difference nila? Bakit magkakaiba ba yan? Of course, sabi nga natin, if you buy GT1X, that is $50 only. GT10X, $500 and GT100X, $5,000. Alam na natin yan. Common sense, di ba? Mas malaki, mas maraming kaparte. Di ba? Parang ganon. So, yun lang yung pinakangon natin doon. Mas malaking makina mo sa sasakyan, mas mabilis ang sasakyan mo, di ba? Pero mas malakas din kumain ng gasolina, di ba? So, yun. So, ganun lang kasimple ang the way nito. But, imagine you are going to mine Bitcoin code in the next 140 years. And when is the best time to mine? Yesterday or when we started was the best time. And when is the next? Today. Today is the best time. Bakit? Kasi po hindi pa tayo nagha-halving. I mean, if you know Bitcoin, may halving din siya, di ba? 4 na halvings na ang nangyari kay Bitcoin. Tayo hindi pa nag-uumpisa. In the next 3 years pa bago pumasok yung first halving natin. That means, sabihin, yung makukuha nating Bitcoin code ngayon is napakarami pa. Kung nung panahon ng Bitcoin, imagine niyo si Satoshi Nakamoto lang yung nagmamine in the last 7 months. And then saka lang nagkaroon ng yung mga naniwala na kay Satoshi Nakamoto, then saka sila nakapag-mine. Imagine niyo gaano karaming Bitcoin ang na-mine nila. Bago tayo, samantalang tayo dito ngayon, we are ready. It's just there. It's sabi nga natin, kailangan na lang nating i-take yung opportunity. Okay? Want to learn more nga? Sabi ko sa inyo, I can do a deep more presentation and explanation to understand the mining and how it really works. But this is a unique, okay? This is all unique product. Okay? Remember, lahat ng Bitcoin code ninyo, it will goes directly to your wallet. Hindi po yan mapupunta sa dashboard, hindi po yan mapupunta sa ano. So you're going to worry na kailan kung makukuha yung one mo, di ba? Sa dashboard, nasa wallet po natin yan. I can do more on it, but of course, sabi nga natin, it's the uniqueness. Hindi natin kailangan alalahanin lagi ang dashboard. Okay? Now, let's go to 9Pay. 9Pay is a ito na naman ako. Tuwing Sabado na lang itong revolutionizing financial transaction na to. Lagi kong nabubulol dito. Okay? So, the revolutionizing financial transactions. Okay? So, sabi nga natin, this is something unique as well. Imagine accepted by 100 million merchants worldwide. Bakit? Look at the logo. Visa. So this is powered by Visa. Imagine niyo your Visa. So you can connect it. We have a digital card lang mamaya bigyan natin na po pwede nating i-connect kayo noon. Apple Pay, 9Pay, Pay, lahat ng Pay. Okay? Pwede natin gamitin yan because it's simply a like an ordinary cards that we are using. But it's crypto ang laman. Okay? Put your crypto there, spend it. Put your crypto, spend it. Ganon lang po kasimple si 9Pay. Hindi niyo na sabihin, di ba, alam ko marami na kayong siguro may nag-offer na sa inyo ng mga crypto card, crypto.com, I think Binance also has. Pero anong gagawin nyo? Put your crypto, swap to fiat, and then expend. Dito hindi po. Put your crypto and spend. So you don't have to worry kung paano kayo mag-exit ng crypto ninyo. Kasi pagka centralized, alam naman natin na governed by the government yan. So pag govern ng government, so ibig sabihin, lahat ng transaction nyo, pwede nilang makita. Okay? Pero tayo, this is safe. This is unique. So, anong magkakaroon tayo ng ano? We're going to get virtual, of course, and the physical cards. Ensuring privacy. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Hindi yan matatrack ng government whatever spendings that you did. Yun ang kagandahan yan. Easy crypto in and out. Sabi ko niya, in crypto, out crypto. As like that. Pwede kayong mag-withdraw sa ATM machines. Crypto ang inilagay nyo sa card nyo, tapos saksak mo nyo sa ATM machines. Anywhere in the world na ina-accept si Visa, meron kayong cash. Okay? Lower fees, instant payment. Our apps will be available in Android and iOS. So you don't have to worry about saan natin kukunin yung apps. Global accessibility, enhanced security. Ito yung isa sa pinakamaganda rin. Because you are secured. You don't have to worry about, this is decentralized as well because it's crypto. And then of course, your rewards in cryptocurrency, yung mga rewards cashback na rin makukuha natin in cryptocurrency. So that's something is also amazing, di ba? Then rewards and cashbacks, so users can earn rewards and cashbacks on their own spendings, which are credited in cryptocurrency. So these incentives incentivize spendings and adds value for the card holders. So we have a cashback. Sabihin mo, gumagastos na kayo ng para sa sarili ninyo, may bumabalik pa rin sa inyo. Ang tanong, saan ba natin, sino ba nangangailangan ng crypto card natin? Ano bang market natin papasokin natin? Imagine niyo ang potential market na kailangan nating mapasok dito. Simple lang. Look, currently, only 2% of bank account holders actively use cryptocurrency for spending. 2%. Ilan ba ang bank account holders in the world? It's around 4 billion bank account holders. 2% pa lang yun mag-accept na sabi nga natin nag-actively ginagamit nila yung cryptocurrency nila for spending. So that's a big market. So you can share the cards, di ba? Lalo na ngayon, potential crypto holders, sino ba yung mga, magbubull run. Ang crypto holders natin, napakarami na ngayon. Okay? So, imagine niyo, crypto spenders, of course, may mga crypto holders na yan, matagal na nagki-crypto. So, the market is very, very big for our card. Kaya hindi ako nangangamba na saan ba magagamit yan. Imagine, it's powered by Visa as well. So, you don't have to worry about, sabi nga natin, how are you going to spend anything on your card? Swipe it, spend it. Simple. So these are the types of cards that we have. So 9 Choice, 9 Prime, and 9 Platinum. These are the 3 cards, and imagine niyo yung benefits. Simple benefits, 9 Choice. Single transaction limit of $10,000, 9 Prime, single transaction limit of $50,000, and of course 9 Platinum, single transaction limit of $100,000. Sabi ko sa inyo, single limit. Single transaction, single transaction. And then if you get 9 Choice, you get 0.1% cashbacks when your friends and family spends. Sabihin po, let's say meron kang card, tapos you share your card, okay? The only way na makuha natin yan, malalaman natin that you shared your cards in the app give them the link, and then of course it will connect it to you that the card will know or the system will know na galing sa iyo yung link, binigay mo sa friends and sa families, every time they spend, meron kang 0.1 for 9 choice, 0.2 for 9 prime, and 0.3 for platinum. Ganun lang kasimple. So it doesn't matter how many friends you have. Basta binigay mo sa kanila yung link, they spend their crypto, you earn. And then of course, you will earn up to 3% of your own spending pag ikaw na yung gumastos. But this will be done in a tier system. Okay? There is a tier system. Pero ang tanong, how much ba yung card? Kasi syempre, bibili natin yung card. Okay? This card, pag binili po natin to, delivered at your doorstep. Hindi nyo po iintayin, hindi nyo po kukolektahin kung saan. It will be delivered at your own doorstep. So the card is 9 choice is $100, 9 prime is $500, and 9 platinum is $1,000. And then how are we going to earn the 1%, 2%, and 3% on tier? Simple lang po yan. It's of course, we have to share this to our family and friends. So, if you have 2 direct referrals, okay, it doesn't matter kung ano pong card ang hawak ninyo ha. As long as you have 2 directs, you will earn 1% of your own spending. Okay? If you have 5 directs, you will earn 2% of your own spending. And then 10 directs, you will earn 3% of your own spending. So imagine niyo no, tamo, gumastos ka ng $10,000, may 3% ka nang bumalik sa'yo. Ang laking bagay niyan. Di ba? This is something unique na sabi nga natin, like I mentioned kanina pa paulit-ulit kasi sinasabi, every products that we have are all uniques. So this is how our 9Pay works. Now, the next exciting one. Dodo. Okay? So this is Dodo, the index trading that we have. Okay? This page, if you will go to our website, you will be able to see this currently. Okay? In-screenshot ko lang po ito ngayon araw na to bago tayo mag-start ng presentation. So imagine ninyo, if you buy an index in an index trading, then you can see in the last 24 hours, you earn 12.1%. Anong ginawa mo? Wala. Binili mo lang yung index. And then, it will grow for you. 12.1%. Ano pang gagawin mo dyan? Pwede mo lang withdrawin. Of course, you can withdraw. Then you earn 10%. And then, bili ka uli ng bago. Di ba? Bagong index. Or, like, 8%, 7%. So, Dodo is an amazing platform trading that we have. Imagine ninyo, at this volume, ang total, at this, kailan lang tayo nag-start? I think 2 weeks ago. At this volume and time natin, meron na tayong $171,000 total volume inside our platform. Ganyan nakalaki, ganyan nakabilis in just 2 weeks alone. And they are earning. I mean, we are earning. Look at this. There is a top earners of in the last 24 hours. Look, the 12.21%, number 1, number 2, number 3. Diyan makikita nyo. So if you want to earn, you can copy them. Okay? Pag kinopy mo, syempre, bili mo lang yung index na kung ano yung index nila, then you earn the same with them. Simple lang pero rock. Imagine this is a decentralized one. So you hold your own assets. Hindi po ninyo, kung naiintindihan niyo yung index trading sa stocks, like S&P 500 or Nasdaq or whatever. Diba? Pag bumili kayo ng indices sa kanila, bumili kayo ng kahit isang index lang or multiple indices, hindi nyo po nakikita kung anong hawak ninyong stocks. Hindi nyo alam kung anong stocks. Dito, kita nyo kung anong assets na meron kayo. Okay, the same with the crypto exchanges like Binance. Sabi nga natin, meron silang index trading ng crypto, pero hindi mo hawak, hindi mo nakikita kung anong assets ang nandoon sa loob ng index mo. But dito, dahil nga transparent, dahil this is a smart contract, dahil nga sabi natin, this is decentralized, you hold your own asset. Okay? So, ganun kaganda si Dodo. Okay? Now, let's go to the, sabi nga natin, bread and butter right now ng ating products, which is the Capital 3.0. So, the early access and crypto unicorns and the AI disruptors. Okay. Now, Introducing to you the Capital 3.0 token. So this is an access to exclusive unicorn investment rounds. So token holders will gain access to early stage investment opportunities in emerging blockchain unicorns. So the 3.0 token is designed to be the exclusive entrance to Capital 3.0 unicorn opportunities. So due to the exclusive access, the 3.0 token is on track to become the cornerstone of the future in Web3 investments. So, ang mangyayari po dito, no, you are going to get 3.0 tokens when you start Capital 3.0. But of course, paliwanag lang natin, no, saan nga ba nag-umpisa ang innovation? Bakit importante na maintindihan natin yung innovation going ng sabi nga natin ng internet? Bakit tayo nakarating sa decentralization? So this is what we have done. We have the study that they have done. Sabi nga natin, bakit yung innovation ng internet is something amazing. Look at this. We started with information. Naintindi siguro naman dito, most of you, like me, okay, no? Kilala niyo naman si Netscape Navigator, si American Online, di ba? Nung unang lumabas si MSN, it's not Microsoft Code, like, di ba? Sabi natin, MSN. Kilalang kilala natin yan. Give out the information, research sa internet, etc., etc. And that was, the millennial part of it. Di ba? Doon natin naintindihan yan. And then, pumasok ang 2000, early 2000s, pumasok po yung communications. Chat, yung Yahoo Chat, kung nakakatanda ng Yahoo Chat Messenger, di ba? Tapos, lumabas na Facebook, Google, everything. Lahat ng communications. Then, we become creators. We post our mga videos natin, nagpo-post na tayo to the public. Naging creators din tayo, nag-innovate tayo because of that. And that is the Web 2 version of the internet. So doon tayo natuto, dito natin na-discover yung mga hidden talent natin na pwede pa tayo mag-create ng video, pwede tayo mag-edit ng video or whatever to share to everyone. That's how it is. Okay? Amazon, Google, pati yung pag-sell, di ba? Yung selling in the internet, like sabi nga natin, e-commerce, di ba? Diyan lahat nag-umpisa yan. And now, pumasok yung 2020 or the pandemic hits, but the technology never stops. Diba? Pandemic lang yun, pero yung technology, it doesn't stops. So nagtuloy-tuloy yan, lumabas ang decentralization, blockchain, etc. Even though at the year 2009, Bitcoin is already there. Kaya lang hindi pa siya, kumbaga yung decentralization, pagiging decentralized ni Bitcoin is still there. Kaya lang hindi pa siya ganun kilala. Wala kasing naniniwala kay Bitcoin. Hindi ko naman sinabing walang naniniwala pala. Mali yung word. Okay? Kukunti lang yung naniniwala kay Bitcoin. Kukunti lang yung naniniwala sa decentralization. Okay? Kukunti lang yung naniniwala na magiging number one si Bitcoin. 'Di ba? Until now. Until today. Imagine niyo you have kung naaalala niyo nung 2021, I think, bumaba si Bitcoin yata ng up to $16,000. And now the all-time high is $99,800. You can check po sa internet kung mali ako, correct me if I'm wrong. Baka po tumaas na siya ng 100,000 but I believe hindi pa siya umabot ng 100. But the all-time high that I saw last week is $99,800. And now this is the centralization. Lumabas na po yung mga sabi nga natin Ethereum, Solana, lahat ng token. Hundreds of thousands of tokens lumabas na dito sa crypto industry. Alam natin yung naging involved kayo o hindi, nalaman na natin. But this is how the internet innovation we have. So it's really amazing. Gaano kalaking industry na ba ngayon yan? Gaano ba sabi nga natin makukuha o kapakikinabangan yan on this industry? Di ba yung Forex is like magkano ba? 6 billion na? 6 billion, I think, or 10 billion a day. 10 billion a day. Okay? Billion dollars. Yung Forex lang yun But with Web3 or with the development of the technology, imagine this. Just starting with the programmable money is over $2 trillion alone. Programmable money, those are the cryptocurrencies including Bitcoins. Imagine nyo $2 trillion. Then tokenized IP. Okay? Sa mga nakapanood ng video kanina, nakita nyo naman to kanina, no? Tokenized IP is having, sabi nga natin yung mga pag-aari natin na instead na, yung, alam niyo, di ba ngayon, yung ang uso na sa atin is yung mga titulo ng bahay, titulo ng whatever, di ba? So yun yung pinanghahawakan natin. Tokenized IP or intellectual property, that is the digital. Sabi nga natin, yun yung hindi na siya sabi nga natin, most secure of having assets and it's decentralized. Sabi nga natin, pwede nyo i-visit sa loob ng blockchain, makikita nyo na ikaw ang may-ari nito, ikaw lang, walang iba. Yan yung tinatawag nating tokenization ng IP. Okay? Decentralized finance, well, I don't have to explain more. Kanina pa natin pinag-uusapan ng pagiging decentralized. Wala pong gobyerno, walang kahit sino ang nakakakontrol. Kaya nga decentralized. But you can see everything. And then of course, Web 3.0, talaga namang sabi nga natin, yung improvement ng the way the technology goes is that the Web 3.0 is infrastructure. So imagine you, if you were going to have an access in a simple like this, from 2, I believe it will goes to up to $10 trillion. Kumurot na lang tayo because we are going to get involved in this opportunity. So ganyan kalaki, okay? So now, let's discuss paano ba paano kayo magiging involved o paano natin makukuha o paano natin makikinabangan yung Capital 3.0 natin. So this is the way, okay? Early access to the unicorn projects. Iba yung nasabi natin kanina, okay? So if you can see here on my board, okay? Okay, this average of you these are the sorry, the unicorns, okay? These are the unicorns na lumabas noong last bull run. Okay, last bull run happens I think 4 or 5 years ago. Okay? Mostly I think yung pinakang bull run nga is nangyari nung 2020 in the middle of the pandemic when Bitcoin hits its all-time high of $73,000. Imagine niyo yun, di ba? Nagkakagulo ang tao, nagkakagulo ang one, but the technology, it doesn't, sabi niya, I don't care. Correct me if I'm wrong. $73,000 or I think $73,000 hits ng Bitcoin ng panahon na yon. And these products, no, siguro naman kilala nyo, especially Solana, Terra, Axie Infinity. Okay, sino bang hindi nakakakilala sa inyo dyan? So, yung mga yan, lumabas yan with these dates. So, nakikita nyo naman yung dates, di ba? So, nakikita nyo yung dates na yan. So, Solana, lumabas siya ng June 2018. Terra is on May 2018. Axie Infinity is on 2020. Okay, Polkadot in 17. The Graph, lumabas siya ng 2020 and then 17. Okay, let's take na lang kay Solana. Paano ba yung magiging access natin? Okay, paliwanag natin in deeper details. So, yung project, okay? Let's call Solana yung project natin with Capital 3.0. Okay. So, si Solana, nung bago lumabas yan, meron niyang mga investors. Okay? Hindi kasi lalabas yan kung walang investors yan. Walang nag-research niyan. Ibig sabihin, yung due diligence na ginawa ng mga investors, yung mga tier capitalist or mga venture capitalist na nasa likod ng project na yan, na nag-invest ng millions of dollars, okay? Sila yung mga nakinabang ng sobra nung lumabas si Solana. So now, with the Capital 3.0 opportunity, magkakaroon din po tayo ng opportunity to gain access before the ICO or the launch of the project. So ibig sabihin po, yung project na yan, lahat na nag-invest dyan, sa likod hindi pa tayo nagla-launch, nasa likod pa po, binubuo pa lang yung project. Siyempre, di ba, pag nagtatayo tayo ng business, maglalabas muna tayo ng mga pera, tapos lahat, inventory, sabi nga natin, yung tindahan o whatever. Di ba? Ganun din po dito. Kaya lang this project has, sabi nga natin, nagawa na ng research, yung due diligence, everything, na research na. Before Solana comes out, nandiyan na yan, may investors na yan, millions of dollars of investments. So that means, paano natin masisigurado na legal nga ba yung papasokin natin na company na hindi pa nga nagla-launch? That is the real reason. Si Solana, nung lumabas yan, ang dami niyang investors. Okay? So, if you wanted to research kung totoo ba yung sinasabi ko, go to ICO Drops, ICODROPS, ICODrops.com. Tapos, i-research nyo din yung Solana. Tingnan nyo doon kung sino yung mga investors, company investors, bago lumabas yung Solana. Nandun po lahat ang details, pati kung magkano in-increase ng token, everything, kompletong details po yan in ICODrops.com. Just to show you, napatunayan ko sa inyo na the projects that Capital 3.0 opportunity na ibibigay sa atin is behind doon sa investment. Di ba sanay tayo, sanay, siguro yung mga nagki-crypto dito, sanay na sanay tayo. We will wait for the ICO and then saka tayo bibili ng token. Tama, mali. Di ba? Bibili tayong token pagka nag-ICO na. Ibig sabihin, may price na yon. But before it is launched, meron ding price na yon for these investors. So, sino ngayon yung makikinabang? Pag nilabas niya sa market, tapos tumaas yan, sinong mas malaki ang kinikita? Yung mga before investors. So, tayo, we are going to have an opportunity and only Capital 3.0 will give you the opportunity on that. Bakit ko nasabi yon? Okay, ganito. Some of the leaders here, sabi nga natin sa company, yung mga company na nag-invest kay Solana, so nakilala natin siya, di ba? Imposible namang kuhan. May mga contact numbers yan, may mga email address. Some of the leaders, alam mong ginawa nila para to test. Nag-email sila doon sa mga company na yon that they said, I have $10 million and I wanted to invest on a project na meron kayo. $10 million ha? Dininay nila yon. Hindi nila tinatanggap yon. Ganun kaganda, ganun kalaki yung mga investors na meron tayo. And tayo, ordinary people, will going to have a chance because, sabi nga natin, because of the connections na meron yung CEO natin. Magkakaroon tayo ng early access. So imagine niyo, let's say kung naging member tayo ng Solana. Okay? Nagkaroon tayo bago pumasok. O yung mga pumasok o yung mga investors, imagine niyo. No, ay, sorry. Wait, go back. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Okay. So yan, imagine niyo. Pumalo ng $174 si Solana at this natin. So imagine nyo 550x. So kung pumasok yung mga investor, let's say paano kung 10 cents pa lang bago lumabas si Solana, 10 cents yung price. Meron na silang Solana token. 'Di ba? Kasi nung lumabas ng ICO niya, 20 cents na siya. Ano ba ang all-time high ni Solana ngayon? I think all-time high ni Solana is around $286. And I believe right now, ang prices ng Solana is over $200. Kung meron na kayong Solana before, di ba? And this bull run is, sabi nga natin, this bull run is one of the most exciting bull run that will ever happen. Palagay ko nga, hindi na magkakaroon ng mas exciting na bull run pa kaysa sa mga darating. Kasi ito yung, sabi nga natin, yung pinakang peak ng, sabi nga natin, pag-evolve ng technology na alam na ang marami ng tao ang na-involve, marami ng tao ang nakakita kung paano nag-evolve yung mga nakaraan. So this is something unique na meron tayo kay Capital 3.0. And Capital 3.0 token is your only key. Paano ka ba magkakaroon ng Capital 3.0 token? Magkakaroon ka lang ng Capital 3.0 token. You cannot buy it anywhere. You cannot ask it anywhere. It will not be airdrop. The only thing you can have is go to We Are All Satoshi and earn Capital 3.0 token. Yun lang yung way. And how are you going to do that? Of course, you have to have packages that you need to buy para kumita ka ng Capital 3.0 token. And what will be the offer? Okay, this is the offer. Okay? So, yung capital, yung package mo will earn 2% daily return, compounding. So, ibig sabihin, in 138 days, meron ka ng 5x. So, this 5x is guaranteed. Nakakatakot yan, guaranteed, di ba? Guaranteed ito. Why? Mamaya ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo. I will show you in an Excel sheet kung bakit sinabi kong guaranteed. Okay? Para hindi naman natin, ibibigay natin yung example para makita natin na why it is guaranteed. And why 138 days. Di ba? Pero ang kagandahan nito, 5x. Okay? So, 5x. Paano ba mangyayari yun? So, let's do this. You buy $1,000 package. Okay? Just for example, hindi ko naman sinasabing ko nyo, buy $1,000 package. 35% of that is going to be your vested capital. So yan yung kikita ng 2% a day. Kikita ng 2% a day, and then, of course, compounding. Every day, start na yan. So, until marating mo yung 5x. So, ibig sabihin, pag natin mo yung 5x, you have $5,000 Capital 3.0 token. Okay? Yung Capital 3.0 token is pegged to $1. So, 1:1 ang laban. So, $5,000, di ba? So, when you have the $5,000 received, okay, that's 500%. And then, yun nga lang, baka mamaya isipin niyo may $5,000 na ako. No. Hindi po yan maibibenta, hindi niyo yung makukuha. In a form of token po yan, na yun yung gagamitin natin, ticket to buy the project tokens na parating. Okay? Sahip malinaw po yan. Okay, if you have questions, write it down. Sasagutin po natin isa-isa yan after na i-present ko sa inyo yung Excel sheet. Then of course, pagka nakakompleto na yung 5x mo, bili ka na lang ulit para magkaroon ka ulit ng another 5x. Okay? So these are the available packages. Okay? We start with $100. So $100, giging $500. Okay? So package 2 up to $50,000. So ganun lang po kasimple. Okay? Hindi po siguro naman yan magulo. But of course, imagine niyo yung $100 nyo magiging $500. Guaranteed. Okay? Guaranteed. But siyempre, ang point natin dito is, of course, hindi lang 5x. Nakita niyo yung kanina, di ba? 500x, 1000x, 900x. Yun yung gusto natin. At mamaya, ibibigyan natin ng clarity yon dun sa Excel sheet. At least mas malinaw yung makikita kung bakit may 100x, bakit may 500x, bakit may 1000x. It's all, sabi nga natin, explain natin one by one doon. Okay? So now, let's say you buy packages, ganito po yung magiging distributions ng tokenomics and allocations ng 3.2 tokens. Okay? So, 35% in compounding until maging 5x. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po, $100, $35 po yung vested capital. Yun po yung kikita ng until 5x. Kaya aabot siya ng 130 days, over 130 days, compounding, dahil nga yung 35% lang yung kumikita. Ano nangyari doon sa 65%? Yung 65% po natin is mapupunta sa ating affiliate system, which is di-discuss ko in a bit. Okay? Affiliate system, kaya nga tinawag nating affiliate marketing. Okay? Sharing the opportunity, you are also earning. Okay? So, mamaya, nag-isip niyo, yan na, sasabi ko na, papasok na yung invite. Okay? Imagine na, hindi po natin kailangan pag-usapan yung invite. Ang importante po dito, you have the package. And then, of course, you have the opportunity to participate on the project tokens na mga parating ngayong bull run. Like tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, those are companies are already been, sabi nga natin, funded by mga venture capitalists na nasa likod niyan. Hindi yan tutubo na lang na parang kabuti kapag kumidlat kung wala pong funding yan sa loob, di ba? Malinaw naman 'yon. Okay? So yun po yung importante nila. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, 3.2 token, allocation price so $1, so stable coin din po yan. Yun nga lang, hindi nyo maibebenta pa yung capital 3.2 token nyo. You have to swap it to the project token. At yun yung mangyayari sa atin. Okay? So papaliwanag ko yun in details dun sa Excel sheet. So matatapos na po tayo, konti na lang. So to qualify, okay? Qualify to participate and earn rewards using Capital 3.0. So every WAS member needs to activate Capital 3.0 token package to become qualified and to receive all the benefits associated with Capital 3.0, including affiliate rewards and token allocation as a return of investment. Okay? So malinaw po yan, no? If you have questions, sabihin nga natin. But yun lang, ganun lang kasimple yan. So you are earning for sharing, and then you are earning because you have bought the package, and then you will be able to participate sa mga project na parating. Then we go to Affiliate Marketing 2.0. So dito yung ating affiliate program. Ito yung sa 65% na sinasabi natin. Okay? At least you understand. So kung sabi ko nga sa inyo, ito na tayo, invite. Hindi nyo po obligasyon o hindi po natin obligasyon, hindi po mandatory, kahit ano ang gawin natin dito na mag-invite. I am sharing the information because I love the idea. I love the project. So that means if you love, kumikita kayo, hindi nyo ba i-share yan? But it's not bad kung sarili ninyo lang, di ba? Imagine niyo kumita na kayo sa Capital 3.0 or sa mining or sa Dodo, kumita kayo. Di ba? Yung Dodo, if you buy the Dodo, you trade, automatic yun, lahat ng liquidation nun sa wallet mo punta. Walang mapupunta sa company. So ibig sabihin, kumita ka na din, that's it. Ikaw ba, kung kumikita ka ba, gusto mo ikaw na lang. That is something na we have to think about, na kailangan din nating isipin na we have to share the blessings, di ba? So this is something na hindi nyo kailangan obligahin yung sarili nyo, but this is something that if you want to share this, at least you are, sabi nga natin, rewarded by the company. And then we have our compensation plan as well. So paano ba yung compensation plan? Paano ba tayo kikita? The only thing we need to do is you have to invite 2 people. Only 2 people. Hindi nyo po kailangan ng marami. 2 people, okay, to become premium subscriber, and then open more opportunities to earn. One on the left, one on the right, and then teach them to do the same. Hindi nyo po kailangan na marami kayong i-invite. But of course, unlimited din naman po kung talagang gusto niyo na i-invite, share niyo sa iba. I will explain in a bit. Ano ba magiging earnings natin? Simple. Okay? Let's say na meron kang one on the left, one on the right, then subscribers can earn 5% rewards as introducer kickbacks, o ito po yung tinatawag nating direct referral bonus for referring unlimited subscribers. So this is from the third paid subscription that you sponsor directly. And then, of course, introducer kickback on repurchase. Diba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo, alam naman pag kumita ka na ng 5x, tapos na. Masaya ka na. Happy ka na. Financially free ka na. Diba? Hindi pa naman. So, bibili ka ulit. When they repurchase, or when you repurchase, 5% rewards are given to all personally introduced subscribers repurchase. Okay? Remember, one on the left, one on the right. Teach them to do the same. And then, there's another way to earn. So there's called check match bonus. So when you sponsor one subscriber on the left and the right directly, then you will earn, or you will receive 10% check match bonus. Remember, the check match bonus is limited only on a daily basis of $300 until you rank up. So we also have ranking. So this capping and check match bonus increases as the subscribers climb the ranks. So paano po ba nag-works? Let's put it in action. Okay. So let's say si Sir Dax, okay, nagustuhan niya si Capital 3.0, bumili siya ng $500 worth of Capital 3.0. And then, of course, deactivated na siya. And then the next time si Ma'am Elaine nakausap ni Sir Dax, sabi niya, Ma'am Elaine, this is an opportunity. Then natuwa si Ma'am Elaine, bumili din siya ng $500. And then the next day, nakita niya si Sir Greg, kinausap niya, Sir Greg, bili ka ng Capital 3.0, this is amazing, this is unique opportunity. Natuwa siya, he bought $1,000. At this point in time, wala ka pa pong 5%. Di ba sabi kanina, the third paid subscriber. So, 1, 2, so 2 pa lang. So, 2 pa lang yung paid subscriber mo. But now, you are already a premium. So, you will get the premium benefits. Once they activated, you are now, okay, Sir Dax, you are now a premium. And what would you get? Let's say, pumasok si Sir Ignacio. Si Sir Ignacio, nagustuhan din ni Sir Ignacio, bumili din siya ng $500. Now, you will get your 5% kickback. And then, from Sir Ignacio to number of people, it doesn't matter if 1,000 people na na-introduce mo personally, every time na meron kang introduce, you get 5%. And then, of course, sabi nga natin, we have check match bonus. What is check match bonus? You have to have a left and right volume. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, it's a team volume, hindi yung sa sayo lang. Okay? So, let's say, tulad yan, si Ma'am Elaine, tsaka si Sir Greg, si Sir Ignacio, $1,000 worth. That's your 1,000 volume on the left. And of course, dahil nga si Sir Greg, meron ka ng 1,000, that's a match. So, that's 10%. So, that means you earn $100 simply on the check match, and then plus the kickback, the $125 extra income on the affiliate side, just simply by referring 2 people. Ganun lang po kasimple. Remember, this is not mandatory, but this is also a good chance to earn. Okay? So I hope this is clear. Now, of course, DeFi products. So these DeFi products, okay, we have classifications of product. Okay? So our products like the BTC Miner, Dodo license, nodes, or 9pay cards, these are DeFi products, and this purchase get 3x, and this is called potential earnings. So dito po lang ito sa loob ng affiliate natin, okay? So let's say bumili ka po ng $500, it will get 3x. Okay, pag na 3x yun, then sabi nga natin, you have to buy another. And then of course, this is potential earning, okay? Dahil po hindi namin alam kung anong plano niyo sa buhay. Hindi namin alam kung gusto mo lang maging traders o kung gusto mo lang mag-miners o kung gusto mo lang maging Capital 3.0 sabi nga natin holders. That's it. Wala namang problema. Yung 9pay card, yun lang gusto mo, gumamit ka lang ng gumamit ng card, it's all up to you. But of course, if you will share, then this is the opportunity. Okay? So the potential earning amounts of all income and bonuses is 3x your purchased amount. Then repurchase are available for all BTC miners, Dodo licenses, nodes, 9pay subscription. Okay? So all purchases contribute to the 3x potential income. And then of course, we have the Capital 3.0 income as well. Each time you purchase Capital 3.0 package, you get 5x. O, di ba kanina 3x? So dito, di ba kanina sa 5x, so naka-separate si Capital 3.0 kasi dahil do sa ROI niya at tapos meron siyang 5x. So 5x potential earning. Potential earning again, why? Because hindi ako yung boss nyo, hindi ako do it in your own will. Okay? So potential earnings amount of all income and bonuses is 5x your purchase amount. Okay? Repurchases are also available. So, ganito lang kasimple. Paliwanag natin. Let's say bumili ka in DeFi, bumili ka ng $50 miner, your potential earning is up to $150 in the affiliate side. Pag napuno mo na yung 150, then bili ka uli ng 150, then you have another 150. Same with 500, you get 1,500. 5,000, you get $15,000. With 9pay, it's the same. 3x pa rin, di ba? Magiging 300, magiging 1,500, and then magiging $3,000. At least all 3x. But with Capital 3.0, remember, sabi ko sa inyo, 5x. So 5x, 100 nyo magiging 500, 500 to 5, 5,000, 25,000, 50,000 for $10,000. Of course, the biggest one, 25,000 magiging $125,000 and $250,000 for $50,000 package of Capital 3.0. Okay? 5x. Yan po yung 5x in the affiliate side. Okay? Sabi nga natin affiliate side. Hindi po natin pinag-uusapan ang Capital 3.0 the way itself, ang trading the way itself, ang mining the way itself. Okay? Lahat po to sa affiliate income lang. Affiliate earnings. Then we also have our ranking. This is amazing. This is amazing opportunities for us. So, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, $300 a day. That is because we have to have a buffer para mag-sustain yung company natin. And then, of course, you will increase that to up to $1,500. So, these are the ranking. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, print out ninyo, lagay nyo sa vision board ninyo kung ano yung plano nyo if you wanted to attain it in how many months. Okay, nasa sa inyo yan. So, Shiba rank is our first. Okay, so that's only need $100,000 on the left and on the right. Di ba na kanina sabi ko sa inyo yung volume on the left and the right? Dalawa lang. Then, you will get an increase of, instead of $300, you get $360, okay, dollars per day on your matching bonus. And then, of course, you still get a reward of $1,000. Okay? I'm really grateful. I'm really appreciated. I really appreciate all the team, the members that I have. Okay? Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, because I already achieved this rank. I am on Shiba rank. Okay? Very proud. Okay? Para sa inyo. Hindi ko po ito sinasabi to brag or everything. No? Ang ibig ko po sabihin, this is attainable. Okay? This is reachable. This is achievable. So, ibig sabihin, kung na-attain ko, why not you, di ba? Ma-attain nyo rin yan. And then, of course, the Tron, the Dodge, the Cardano, and of course, the Bitcoin. And then you only need 20 million on the left, 20 million on the right. Ha? 20 million on the left? Wow. Are you sure that this can be attainable? Yes. Bakit po? Ethereum was just, na-reach na po ito ng 2 tao. Okay? The other one is a group, but of course, as an account, 2 accounts. Okay? The first Ethereum was just attained like last month or less than 2 months. And then the second one was just achieved last March. I think March or April of this year. So Ethereum, they did have a sale of 10 million on the left and 10 million on the right. Imagine ninyo yung bonus, $100,000. And this is achievable. And all of this account, except Bitcoin, one time lang nating ma-attain, but Bitcoin, pwede po nating i-attain multiple times. 20 million every time, and then you get 1 million every time. Ganon ka simple ang Bitcoin. But it is amazing. So these are all attainable po, no? Sa una lang talaga, sabi nga natin, if we put hard work, then it will grant us. Sabi nga natin, wala namang nangyari ng overnight. So it's up to you. You do your planning, you do your goals. Alam mo, gusto ko in 6 months, in 1 year, in 2 years, in 3 years, in 4 years, in 5 years. Okay? So imagine niyo ako almost 2 years before ko na-attain ang Shiba rank. Because sabi nga natin, it's up to us. Hindi naman ako finorce dito eh. So at least that is attainable. So I'm looking forward to seeing you also rank up, okay? Then we have our nodes. So to become a node owner, it has a requirements. So you have to run Bitcoin code nodes through a 4-core CPU, 8 gig RAM, 50 GB SSD. So you have to have at least a laptop or a desktop na kailangan yung nagra-run 24 hours a day. And then of course, you will get your return up to 182% annually. Okay, this is fixed. So imagine niyo if you have $27,000, okay, that is the current price right now. It will change eventually in the next few days. I believe it will goes up to $36,000. 182% in 1 year. That means you already earned 82% in the first year. Remember, nandun pa lang sa beginning, 140 years of mining. So every time, ibig sabihin po, after every year, meron kang 182% kasi nakuha mo na yung capital mo. So almost risk-free ka na because of Bitcoin code, di ba? Because you are a node owner. So this is an amazing opportunity as well. So to every one of you, kung gusto niyo maging node owner, okay? We are doing a syndicate o yung corpo po na tinatawag, okay? We have a corporation right now to buy the 6th node. Okay, meron na po tayo for the 6th node. Kung interesado kayo, reach out to me or reach out to the person that invited you here. $100 per slots. So that means po pwede po tayong maging owner ng node for $100. Then you will earn BTCC every day. Okay, dinidistribute po namin ang BTCC monthly. So actually today is the distribution day. Magdi-distribute ako mamaya ng profit ng nodes ng 4 nodes na meron tayo. So congratulations do sa may mga nodes owners. Okay? So yun po yung kagandahan natin. So we are earning a BTCC in here. Okay? So we have also our pool. Oh, this is the last way to earn. Okay? So if you want to be a mega pool, okay, you only need to attain or by accomplishing a business volume of 1 million on the left and 1 million on the right, then you will earn 4% of the monthly company revenue. Okay? Monthly, hindi po yearly, hindi po every 6 months. Every month, yung total company revenue ng company, meron yung magbubuko diyan ng 4%. Kung ilan yung tao ilan tao yung mega pool, paghahati-hatian nila yan. Then if you want to earn more, of course, become a giga pool, 5 million on the left, 5 million on the right. Now, instead of 4%, you will get 3% more. So that is 7% of the company's revenue. And then, of course, TerraPool, 10 million on the left, 10 million on the right. And then you will get 10%. So that's another 3% of the total company revenue. Imagine niyo in the TerraPool, 3 lang kayo and then ang total company revenue is 100,000. Kumuha ng 10%, that is $10,000, 3 lang kayo maghahati. It would be an amazing extra income, di ba? That, of course, sabi nga natin, great things needs hard works because great things doesn't happen overnight. So, kailangan din po nating paghirapan, di ba? But of course, sabi nga natin, pag pinaghirapan natin, di ba, ang sarap namang pakiramdaman, di ba? So, yun yung number 1 natin. So, now we have the terms and conditions that you need to remember. So, these are very important to remember as we go along. So, introducer kickbacks and checkmatch bonuses are credited to the account on a daily basis. Subscriber have an opportunity to receive Ascension Club rewards or the ranking from multiple clubs. So, ibig sabihin lang po niyan, kahit malampasan mo yung mga other ranks, ibig sabihin po nun, hindi mawawala yung mga bonuses. You will also got the bonus, makukuha yung mga bonuses of those ranks na nalampasan nyo because you are sharing this opportunity very well. Ascension Club rewards will be credited once a month. all affiliate earnings are subject to 2% admin fee, no withdrawal fees. Minimum withdrawal and deposits is 10 USDT. Okay, this 2% admin fee, kaklarify ko lang po. This 2% admin fee is only for the affiliate income. Wala pong kinalaman yung mga nasa wallet natin. Lahat po ng nasa wallet natin, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, o kung ano mang meron na ginagamit natin wallet na para sa ating mining, sa Dodo, or sa, ano pa ba isa natin? Bitcoin code, yeah. So, lahat po yan walang kinalaman. Hindi po yan matatax na, mabasisingilan ng 2% kasi nasa wallet nyo na. Okay? At least malinaw po tayo dyan. Full income will be calculated based on the total company revenue of every month from the first day to the 30th day of each month. Then maximum earnings for DeFi, okay, binanggit ko kanina, miners, Dodo, 9Pay nodes are 3x, okay, and then of course Capital 3.0 are 5x. And then the Bitcoin Ascension Club reward has no capping, so you don't need to worry about capping or you get capped on the Bitcoin Club. So this is amazing, di ba? Talaga si Bitcoin talaga kahit saan namamayagpag talaga. Okay, thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate all your time. It's a weekend, especially in the Philippines, it's evening, but you take your time here. In UAE, it's still afternoon. In Canada, in America, it's good morning. Here in Europe, it's afternoon. So really appreciate all your time. Thank you so much for listening. Accept my gratitude for exploring the future of cryptocurrency. This is a very, very exciting journey awaits us. Okay? So bago po tayo mag-question and answer, like I mentioned, pasok muna tayo sa Excel sheet. Papakita ko sa inyo Excel sheet. Paano natin kikitain si 5x? Paano ba natin makukuha yung guaranteed 5x na sinasabi ko, di ba? Baka naman sabihin nyo naman, drawing naman pala yung 5x na yun, di ba? So, i-share natin yung 5x sa inyo para naman hindi hindi masama, di ba? So, okay, let me do this. 5x. Now. Okay, so share screen. Let me know po kung nakikita ang screen. Anyone po? Hello?
Yes, kitang-kita po.
Thank you, Ma'am Maridel. Okay. So this time, gagawa tayo ng simple computation para kay Capital 3.0 kung paano natin masasabing guaranteed yung 5x. Okay? So, again, bago po ko umpisan to, so this is not a financial advice. Lahat po ng information ko dito, nakalagay naman yung disclaimers ko dyan, nababasa nyo naman. Lahat ng information are for example purposes lang or hypothetical example lang po yan. Wala pong guaranteed numbers, wala pong, sabi nga natin, exact amounts. Okay? This will all depends on the project at depende sa atin. Okay? Sa lahat po yan, at least I am not a financial advisor. I will not advise you to do such thing. Okay? Every decision that you're going to make is all yours. Okay po? So now, gagawin natin dito, no? Papakita lang natin, bida natin, let's start with $100. Okay? Para hindi naman masyadong exaggerated yung natin. So let's say we buy $100 package of Capital 3.0. So $100. What will happen? What will happen? Remember, 65% goes to the affiliate side. Yan, pambayad po yan doon sa mga checkbacks, 10% bonus, blah, 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 blah. Okay? Yung mga bonus, mga Ascension Club rewards, lahat po yan. Okay? And of course, for the company survivals, lahat na yan, nandyan na yan, yung expenses ng company, etc. Hindi po mabubuhay ang company ng walang expenses natural. Then, this is your vested capital. So, ito yung tinatawag natin magiging puhunan. 35% o $35. Itong $35 na to ang magiging 500. Yan, no? Yung magiging 500. Hindi po yan, iisipin natin na $35 lang, tapos paano yan magiging 5x? Pag nag-5x ang $35, that's 70, 140, 210, di ba? 210 lang yan pag pin-5x mo yan, di ba? So, hindi yan. Magiging $500 yan, just to clarify. Dahil po doon sa compounding effect of, return of investment na nakukuha nating Capital 3.0 token. So, let's say, in 135 days, magiging 507 o $500 na, okay, di ba? 500 3.0 token ang makukuha mo, but I said it dollar because sabi ko nga sa inyo, 3.2 token is $1. So para malinaw lang tayo. Okay? Now, $500. Okay na. So let's say natapos na. Let's say papasok tayo sa project ngayon, kunwari nabuo mo na yung $500, okay? Kunwari lang ha. Ikaw natin. So at least alam ninyo. Now, so ibig sabihin po, nakuha nyo na yung 500 Capital 3.0 token. Okay, hindi po ito USDT, hindi po ito anything. Ito po ay Capital 3.0 token. This is $500 lang ang sinasabi ko kasi ito yung value niya, $500. Okay? Malinaw po? So now, since may $500 tayo, kaya natin ng konti para makita natin. Yan. Okay? So now, $500 token po yan ha. $500 worth of Capital 3.0 token. Okay? So now, this time, gagamitin nating example si Solana. Kunwari si Solana, hindi pa siya nagla-launch. Okay? Gamitin lang natin yung data na mayroon tayo kay Solana. But kunwari, si Solana, ila-launch pa lang ngayong December. Okay? So, ibig sabihin natin, let's say, nakapag-ipon ka na ng 138 days, nabuo mo yung $500, and then exactly lalabas si Solana. Okay? Lalabas na si Solana project. Ngayon, lalabas si Solana project, mayroon tayong ngayong chance na mag-invest kay Solana bago lumabas. Ito yung sinasabi nating early access. Okay? Early access to the project. So, ibig sabihin, bago mag-ICO si Solana, may hawak ka na dapat na token. At si Capital 3.0 ang only way for you to do that. Wala pong ibang way. Okay? Like sinabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, mga nag-email yung mga leaders, nagbaka sakali, they lied to those companies na meron silang $10 million if they will give them access. Pero hindi po pinansin yun. Binaliwala po yun. Okay? $10 million na pinag-uusapan natin dito or even $100 million. Hindi po sila ganon. Because they are mga, sabi nga natin, mga tier funds ang hawak. Sila mga, sabi nga natin, mga tier investors. Yung mga nasa likod nito. Okay? So now, ito na tayo, di ba? Solana. Okay. Now, before the ICO of Solana, sabihin na natin, nang mag-ICO si Solana noong 2018, di ba ang price niya is 0.2. Am I right? Di ba yung nakalagay doon sa natin sa presentation? 0.2. Okay? Ang ngayon, si allocation natin dito ngayon, so ibig sabihin yung buong $500 worth of 3.0 token mo, ilalabas lahat yan doon, ibibili natin ngayon ng project token. Okay? So magkakaroon ka ng 100% na yung sabi nga natin Capital 3.0 token mo. Okay? Now, nag-ICO si Solana, lumabas si Solana. Ayan na. Ito na, nag-public listing na. So, ibig sabihin, di ba, ito na yung mga pagkakataon natin na bumibili tayo ng mga token, di ba? Yung tulad ng lumabas si Shiba, lumabas si Pepe, lumabas yung mga token na maliliit. XRP, lahat noon, kahit si Dodge noon, di ba, mga naalala nyo yan. Okay? So, right now, Solana is our example. Lumabas si Solana with a price of 0.20 cents per token. So, at this point in time, this 500 3.0 token mo, i-convert natin yan using at this value. So, you will get 2,500 Solana tokens. Ganon ka magkakaroon. So, ibig sabihin, bago pa mag-launch si Solana, meron ka ng hawak na 2,500 tokens na Solana. Okay? Let's say ngayon, bukas ang launch ni Solana, ngayon hawak mo na yung 2,500 tokens kasi nasa likod ka eh. Hindi ka naman kasama, hindi ka naman inintay mo yung ICO saka ka palang bibili. 'Di ba? So hawak mo na. Okay? Now, pagdating ng launch, gusto mo nang maging pera gusto mo nang kunin yung $500 mo kasi $100 lang po mo, 'di ba? So gusto mo nang kunin yung 500. So pagdating ng launch, okay? Ni Solana, yan, nag-launch si Solana, okay? Yung 2,500 tokens mo, ibenta mo sa exchange. Kasi nasa exchange, pag nag-launch yan, automatic nasa exchange. So, ibenta mo na siya for a value of 20 cents. And then, eventually, you get your $500 back. That's why I said it's guaranteed that you get your 5x. That makes sense? Diba? Malinaw naman. Benta mo yung 2,500 Solana token mo at a price of 20 cents. Diba? And then what? Ano mangyayari? Nakuha mo na yung 5x mo. At this point in time now, Okay, sorry. Okay? Yan yung hinighlight ko na yan. At this point in time, yung trabaho ni CEO natin is done. His promise is done. Tapos na po. Naibigay niya na sa iyo yung promise niyo. Yung promise niya na may 5x. Diba? Happy. Everyone is happy. Eh ngayon, sasabihin natin, nasan yung 100x? Nasan yung 500x? Nasan yung 1000x? Diba? Ito po ngayon lalabas ngayon. Yung sinasabi nating 100x na yan, 500x. Okay? Dito po yan, dito sa part na yan. But this one will be the risk. Okay? This time, we will take our own risk. Malinaw po yan na our own risk. Kasi tapos na po yung trabaho ng CEO natin, di ba? Pinramis niya na yung $500 sa'yo out of your $100. Tapos na. Dito po tayo magte-take ng risk. Okay? So dito, pag nag-take tayo ng risk, you believe in the project, naniwala ka doon sa project, naniwala ka kay Solana, sabi nga natin, okay? So after, let's say ang ginawa mo, at the same day, ang ginawa mo, instead of selling the 2,500 tokens, ang ginawa mo, yung 25% lang yung ibinenta mo para lang meron kang makuhang return. So kung ibinenta mo yung 25%, okay, risk na natin to at a value of 0.2%, 0.2, di ba? Binenta natin, okay? That means yung $100 mo may tubo ng $25. So risk-free ka na. Di ba? $100 binili natin ng package, ibinenta mo lang yung 25%. So meron ka pang 75% of 2,500 Solana token. So magkano mo yung 75% niyan? Hindi pala na-edit, sorry. So hindi ko na-edit. So magkano ang 75%? May calculator ba kayo dyan? 75% of 2,500. So that means that is your Solana token pa rin. Now, ito na ngayon yung sinasabi natin na naniwala kayo kay project na Solana. After 6 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, okay? Nakita nyo, pumalo ng $5 si Solana. $5. Nakita mo, yes, $5 na. Ilang X na yan? From 20 cents to $5, ilang X ba yan? 20, 10, 50X. Diba? 50X na yan. I think. I hope I'm correct. Correct me if I'm wrong. Any one of you, pwede po nyo ako correct. Okay? Ano na yan? 5X? At 50X? Tama? 50X? Okay, 50X na yan. Okay, 50X. So, may 50X na tayo. Since nakita mo na nag-50X na, meron ka pang 75%. Ang ginawa mo, yung 25% ibinenta mo na ulit. So, yan na ngayon yung nakinikita mo ngayon doon sa Solana token mo. Kasi after 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, 1 year, I don't know. Okay? Nasa sa inyo po yan kung kailan. Okay? So, this time, simple. And now, sabi nga natin, hinawakan mo si Solana for the rest of the times. Okay? Ngayon, I think 2020, 22, 21, 2021, I think na-hit ni Solana yung $286 all-time high. Are you going to sell your 50%? Yes or yes? I think so. Okay. Benta na lang natin yung 25% ulit. 25%. That's number of eggs na pwede nating makuha. Imagine remember this is our own risk to take. Our own risk to take. But imagine, I'm not saying na hindi ito posible. This is a possible because you can search the Solana tokens kung ano nangyari, di ba? Correct me if I'm wrong for the all-time high, okay? And then let's say after ilang years, hindi naman ako naniniwalang bababayan ng 1. Yung 25% mo, nawalan ka na ng gana kasi naging 0.1% 0.1 na lang yung value ni Solana. Binenta mo na. Di ba? Kasi sabi nga, nawala after 2, 3 years, whatever years, what number of years, number of months, nasa sayo na yan. Binenta mo na kasi wala na siyang silbi. Or you can hold it forever. Wala namang magagalit sa'yo because it's your asset. Di ba? So these are the opportunities, these are the possibilities, these are the number of X's na po pwede nating makuha in Capital 3.0. Ito yung Capital 3.0 na magbibigay sa atin ng early access to these projects. Okay? So now we have our allocations ready. Okay? We already have an allocations ready. Sabi nila, okay? We have a tip. Okay? This is not to brag or this is not to entice you or not to, sabi nga natin, bigyan kayo ng kumbinsihin kayo, mga ganong words, ano? Wala po yan. Sasabihin ko lang ito, this was the tip that we got sa project allocation na meron tayo. That Binance, kilala niyo si Binance, invested millions of dollars dito sa project na parating natin. And it will be launched and listed to Binance directly. Yung allocation natin ngayon. Okay? So, that is something to think about. Ano ba? Masakit ba mawala ng $100? Or, yeah, of course, there's risk. Sabi nga natin, if you want to earn big, then take bigger risk. Kasi alam naman natin yon, the bigger the return, the bigger the risk. If you are not a risk taker, then partake of something that you can afford. Okay? Isa pa rin yan sa mga natin. Do not invest a money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay? There is no guaranteed in life. Kahit yung buhay natin ngayon, bukas hindi natin alam kung anong meron tayo. Okay? Are we still alive tomorrow? No guarantee. But these are opportunities and possibilities. So I hope malinaw po, naintindihan po ninyo kung paano nagwo-work. Okay? What if we have multiple projects like Terra, Infinity, Polkadot coming in the next months? 'Di ba? Imagine niyo with $100, what can it do for you? Because they give us the opportunity na tayo mga ordinary people, ordinary investors, we all know, we understand crypto, then why not take advantage? Especially bull run is coming. Everything is going up now. Hindi naman kaya ko sinasabing ko, no? Pero lahat ng tumaas si Bitcoin up to 99,000, lahat po hinila pataas. Ang daming kumita sa crypto na may mga hawak na hinila pataas because of Bitcoin. And who knows? Di ba? What if Bitcoin reach 150,000, $200,000? And then these projects na meron tayo, we are already in. Di ba? These are all possibilities. These are all good possibilities for us, good opportunities for us to take advantage with. I'm not saying, of course, sabi ko nga sa inyo, the decision is always you to decide. Wala pong pilitan, wala pong ano dito. Thank you for listening. Thank you for, sabi nga natin, taking the information, for writing down the information. You can decide whatever time you wanted to decide, even after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and then you come back here, you are all welcome. But it doesn't matter po na ibig sabihin, hindi natin, dahil naging open mind ka, dahil nagkaroon ka ng open mind, then the opportunity is knocking. Okay? That's okay. Yeah, sabi nga natin, if another, the door closes, another one opens. So, I'm pretty sure, hindi lang po ito yung magiging product natin dito kay VRL Satoshi. This is not the last. This is not going to be the last. We were going to have more. Okay? So, thank you so much po for listening. Now, it's time po for question and answer. I hope naintindihan po natin yung aking pinaliwanag. At kung meron po kayong tanong, happy po ako na you can unmute or you can raise your hand para hindi tayo sabay-sabay. We can start na po. Any question po with the informations that I shared? And again, thank you so much again po. Thank you. Okay. Any question po? Hello, Coach Pelpol. Patahi-tahimik ka dyan, ha? Ikaw, ha? Anyone po? Anyone? Pwede po mag-unmute? Yun. Okay. Mukhang walang tanong. So, kung wala pong tayong tanong, ay... Yun, si Ma'am Grace may tanong. Sige, Ma'am Grace, go ahead.
Mahihain ng mga audience mo, ah.
That's okay, Ma'am. Natural lang, natural yan. Ganyan din naman ako nung una, eh. Hindi rin ako